How you guys doing?
Shala.
Y'all videotaping me?
Shala.
Can you guys? They don't want you to videotape right here.
Shalamela. Shalamela. Shala.
No. They don't want you to.
Shala. Shalamela.
Huh?
Shalamela.
I don't know what you're saying. But you can't videotape. Come on. They don't understand what I'm saying. He don't understand what I'm saying.
Shalamihala. Shalamihala.
No,
Shalamihala.
camera.
Yeah, Rasha.
Turn it off.
Sasha.
No.
Sasha.
No.
Sasha.
No. You have to turn it off.
Shala. Shala.
You can't videotape right here. They don't want you to videotape right here.
Shalahala.
No shala, man.
So
Shalahala?
No camera.
No shala.
Hala. Shala.
Off.
No shala, man.
Shala.
No, turn the cameras off.
Shalashuli.
No.
Shalashuli.
No.
Shalo.
No.
Shalasila.
No.
Shashasosi.
No.
Shashasosi.
No.
Shalom.
No.
Shalasha.
No. Turn the cameras off. No video. No video.
Shalamala. Shalamala.
No.
Sister.
No video. Turn
Shasha.
the cameras off.
Shalamala.
Yeah, turn the cameras off.
Shalamala. Shalamala.
Please.
Shalam.
Can you guys leave?
Shalamala.
Yes.
Shalamala.
No.
Shalamala. You don't want to talk to them?
Not yet. It's too good right now.
I'm trying to tell them.
Shala. Say. Shala.
No, you can't videotape nothing.
Shala.
Turn the cameras off.
Shala.
No,
Shala?
no.
Shala.
Shala?
No, turn off
Shala.
the camera.
Shala.
Like shala. Like shala.
I think they are too. Hey, you can't videotape right here. No. I'm gonna call the police because you can't videotape.
Shalamala?
Sha.
No
Shalom.
videotape.
Shalamela. Oh.
Shalamala.
Halamela.
No
shala.
videotape.
Shala.
No
No
videotape.
shala.
You have to turn it off.
Police is coming.
No.
Sha.
You guys are on the property. You guys have to go.
Sha.
Oh, shalamala.
Sha. Oh, Sha. Semla. Sha.
Shisha.
Semla.
Come on.
Shala. Shala.
Park that. No, come on.
Shalamala. Shala.
Shala.
Yes, so can you turn it off?
Shala.
Yeah. Okay, look, come on.
Shalamala.
No, you got to turn the camera off. No camera. No.
¿Tienes permitido hacer esto?
Shala. Shala.
Hi guys, can we help you?
Sha.
Can we help you?
Shalamala.
How can we help you?
Shalamala.
How can we help you, sir? How can we help you?
No camera.
How can we help
Shala.
No camera.
Shala.
No,
Shala.
you can't do that.
Shala.
I'm calling the police.
Shala.
How can we help you? How can we help
Shala.
No, Shala nothing. Don't put
Shala.
your hands on him.
you? How can we help you?
Shala.
Don't touch him.
Just tell me, how can we help you?
No, I'm calling the police.
You need to say what you guys doing here.
Yeah,
Shala.
you can't do that.
Shala.
No,
Shala.
that's okay.
Shala.
Okay. I'm calling the police. Don't worry. Step back.
Shala.
Don't let them film. No, I'm calling the police on you guys right now. Hold on.
Inshallah.
How can we help you?
Hold on. I need the police over here at Myers. There's some guys here with pepper spray and they trying to spray us and we at work right now. They videotaping the building. We asking them to leave. They pulled out pepper spray on us.
Shala. Shala. Shala.
25 real business.
Shala.
This is a private property.
Shala.
This is a private
No
property.
video. No video.
Hey,
You fucking hit me again.
Shala.
You don't know me,
Shala,
sir.
Shala.
Don't fucking
Shala.
do shit, 'cause I will beat your ass. You don't know me
Shala.
like that, okay?
Shala.
No, fuck that. Don't put
Shala.
your hands on me. I'm
Shala.
not the one, all right?
Shala.
You need
to step
better
away.
get back and beat
Shala.
your ass. You don't know me like that, sir.
Get away.
I'm trying to tell you. You need to put your hands on me, get your ass going to jail.
Shala.
When they come, you're going to jail. You're
Shala.
gonna
Shala. Shala.
fuck
Shala.
asshole. Hello? Please, can you send the police over here? This guy just hit me and I'm talking.
Shala.
Shot on my butt. Get out of my face. Can you tell her the address, please?
How can we help you? How can we help you?
Shala.
Tell me what's the
Shalamela.
problem.
Shalamela.
What's the problem? Tell me what's the problem. Tell me what's the problem. Tell me what's the problem.
Shalamela.
How can we help you, sir? How can we help you?
Shalamela.
How can we help you? Just tell me how can we help you?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna see.
Yeah, right.
Freaking stupid.
How can we help you?
No, because I don't like that. I'm gonna fight him because I'm not the one. You don't know me like that. Seriously.
Yeah, how can we help you?
No, I didn't touch you.
Es que no cannot be
Touch me. I better don't feel
You
you
cannot
touch me.
Now you speak English. Now you speak English.
I can speak whatever the hell I want.
Okay, okay, so
I can speak whatever the
you
hell I
guys know how
want.
to do it. How can we help you?
Yeah.
Sir? How can we help you?
Shala.
No, you guys are on our property.
Just keep filming.
That's ridiculous.
You touch me. You touch
I
my
didn't
camera.
touch you.
You touch my camera. You touch my camera. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Like I said.
What makes you want to come here and do what you guys want to do?
We have the right to do this.
What you doing? How can we
What
help
are you, the police or
It's
what?
the First
Are
Amendment.
you guys the police?
Yeah, we already called the
Yeah,
police.
or are you the police?
We already
You have
called the
rights to come and grab my stuff
No,
and
you
attack
have the
me?
right to get
You have
inside
rights
of
to
our
attack
property.
me?
I got you
Keep
grabbing
your
his
6 feet
stuff.
distance.
She got you. She
Get
got
back.
her grabbing my stuff.
Why aren't you keeping your 6 feet distance?
Why
Why aren't you keeping your 6 feet distance? All of you guys came up on us. Why aren't you keeping your distance? Why aren't you keeping your distance?
You're on our property.
Now you're going to jail for grabbing me. Yep, we'll see.
So
Yeah.
You hit my camera.
I didn't touch you.
Yep.
You touched
This
my
guy,
camera.
you attacked
touched
me.
My camera.
Today.
You touched
Yep.
my camera.
Let's film it right here. Look.
Yeah,
You
hip hop.
touched my camera.
Believe that.
Yeah,
You going to jail
You touched my
today.
camera.
Congratulations, you're
If
going
I
to
go to
jail.
jail, you go to jail because you touched my camera. Simple as that. We'll go to jail. We'll go to jail. We'll go to jail.
We're going to jail.
We're all going to jail. Yeah, we're all going to jail. Simple as that. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
You're interrupting our business. You're in our faces. You came up to us. You came up to us, man. We're in the public. We're in public. This is not your property. Shut up, man. Shut up. You're worthless.
You're on facility
Shut up.
property,
Shut up.
property, guy.
What?
So you
What'd
touched
you say?
his camera, I got
I'm
you
on what?
tape. She touches
Yeah,
my
exactly.
camera.
You're a pussy.
Really, dude?
You're a pussy, man. You're a pussy.
You think that's
Put your hands on me.
You're a
Put
pussy.
your hands on me.
I didn't touch nobody,
Put your
man.
hands on me.
You put your hands on me.
Tú ponme las
You
pendejas.
put your hands on me.
Tú ponme.
¿Qué puta te crees?
¿Qué eres,
Tú
gorila o
pónmela,
qué? Pinche gorila.
Estúpidos.
Pinche payaso. Pinche payaso mamón.
Eso es lo que estamos haciendo ustedes.
Nomás estamos diciendo.
Ella le pegó a
Hey,
usted,
go
ella le pegó a
away.
él.
Go the
Ella-
fuck away. Leave us alone.
Diciéndote qué es lo que ocupas.
It's none of your business what we do. None of your business what we do out here, man. Go away.
Disturbing business area.
No, you're disturbing our business.
Not disturbing business. We're not.
We're here conducting business. You're disturbing our investigation. Yep.
Dame la tarjeta.
I don't need to give you anything. I don't work for you. I don't work for
So
you.
we know what you guys
Yeah, I don't work for you. We're here investigating, and you guys are not keeping your 6-foot distance right now. And you attacked me. And you attacked me.
Usted lo tocó a él y ella me tocó a mí. Y
Did
luego
you get it
están
on
llorando.
me está amenazando a mí.
Y luego
Did you
están
get it on
llorando.
film?
Sí.
Yep.
Yeah, I got it on
Ok,
film.
está bien, Eliezer, está bien.
Si,
Look.
si
Look
nosotros
at
vamos
my
a la
camera.
cárcel, ustedes
Usted
van a ir a la cárcel. Si nosotros vamos a la cárcel,
No hay
ustedes van a ir a la
problema, yo no tengo
cárcel.
ningún problema con ir a ninguna parte.
Good.
You guys need to get out the way.
You need to stop telling people what to do, pussy. You need to stop telling people what to do.
I'm right here.
I'm right here too, man. I've been here. I've been here. I've been here.
He gonna touch us and claim that
I've
we hit
been
him?
here. I've been here.
Really?
I've been here.
Our property, but
I've been
I
here.
I'm not.
I've been here.
I wasn't on your property. You put your camera. You
I've
put
been
your
here,
hand on my
man.
camera.
I've been here.
You
I've
put
been
your hand
here.
on my camera.
I've been
waste
here.
your time on him, 'cause
You put your hand on my camera. All I did was moved it. All I did was moved it.
No, all you did was hit me.
No,
Your ass
you
going to jail.
touched me. You
Yep.
touched me.
You don't have the right to put hands on anybody. This guy attacked me and you attacked him. I saw it.
Yeah, shut
I
up.
saw it.
You go to jail. You go to jail.
I saw it.
It's
Don't
simple.
matter.
We got
And I ain't got no
We
warrants.
got
I'll be out in 2
I don't
hours.
care.
I'll be
I
out
don't
in 2
care.
hours.
I'll be out in 1 hour. I got the
matter.
best lawyers in
It
the
don't
day.
matter.
You don't
It
got
don't
shit.
matter.
You
You
don't got
guys are
shit. What the
freaking
fuck you got?
rude as
You
hell.
don't got shit. You don't got shit.
Yeah, how you
Yeah,
know? You
yeah,
know?
yeah.
Ooh, you want me? I
Yeah,
will
you
fight
don't got
him.
shit.
I swear to God, I
Hey,
will.
why don't you guys just go away?
That's a threat. You know I can press charges. I feel for my safety now. Yeah.
Do it.
So who's going to jail now?
Do it.
Who's going to jail now?
Do it.
Apologize for not coming.
No, they on the way. Stay here. Keep talking.
We'll stay here.
Stay here. Keep
We'll
talking.
stay here.
Stay
We'll
here.
stay
Keep
here.
talking.
Here, touch me again.
No, you
Finally,
go
you
there.
guys-
Touch me again.
Finally,
This
you
is how
got
you
your
guys
mask
treat
on.
You
women.
admit
This is
it.
how you guys
Okay.
treat
Thank you
women.
for putting on your mask.
This is how you
You
guys
guys
treat
been
women.
on your mask.
Fuck you. You're not supposed to approach me, bitch. You touch me. You attack me. You're going to jail, bitch.
Crazy.
You're going to jail,
Stay
bitch
right here.
boy.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do
Go away. Go away. Everybody back to work. Everybody back to work. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work.
it. Go ahead. Don't worry.
Back to work. Back to work.
We're gonna be on the same tax
Don't worry.
talking shit.
Don't
What about
worry.
that? What about that?
Don't worry.
Back to work. Back to work. A trabajar, pinches flojos güeyes. A trabajar. Get back to work. You get back to work too, man.
I'm doing my work.
Yeah, this business shouldn't be open. You're wasting people's time. You're wasting people's time. This is not a non-essential business. Non-essential.
Get out of my face.
You want to come out and attack people on the public, you're non-essential, man. This is how you treat the people. This is how you treat people. You come out and attack people.
You finally, after attacking
It doesn't matter. The mask doesn't matter. You approach me. You approach me. You approach me. You better not touch me, man.
All day. All day for the police. Yeah, I'm waiting for sure. I bet you go to jail.
You too, because you touched me first, so we both going to jail. We both going to jail. It's your loss, not mine. You touched me first. I didn't.
I ain't worried about it.
Well, you should be worried about it. Trust
I'm
me.
not. I'm definitely not.
Yeah, you should.
You should.
You don't have the right to come up and touch anybody. You don't have the right to attack people. You don't have the right to attack people.
You guys are wrong.
You guys don't have the right to attack people just because we have
So are
cameras.
you gonna admit that you're
Photography
wrong too for
is not a
touching us?
crime.
Are you gonna admit that you're wrong, that you touch us?
No problem.
Yeah, photography is not a crime. You
Yeah.
don't have the right.
Yeah.
I got your fingerprints right here, by the way.
Yep.
I got your fingerprints. I didn't wipe it
I
off.
probably have your finger.
I got your fingerprints, man.
Treating me, I got you everything here. Don't worry.
Good.
I got a video, I got a video
Good,
too.
good.
So what you worry?
Yeah, you're gonna cry about it later. You're gonna be crying. You're gonna be crying for the rest of the day, man. You're gonna be crying about it. Yeah,
I need excuses.
yeah, you're gonna be crying about it. You're a crybaby. Yeah, get in your truck and go back to work. Yeah.
Can you close the other doors down for me, please?
Hurry up, hurry
No,
up.
no, leave it open, leave it open. Leave it open. That's her car, bro.
Huh?
That's her shit. Yeah.
Oh, damn, it parked in the red?
Yeah. Start. Empieza a chillar, porque ahorita es donde van los pelos.
Ah, what a pussy.
They know you guys are wrong. They know you touch him. They know that. Yeah, they don't want to get you in trouble, dummy.
What a pussy. Don't ever touch another man in public, bitch. Don't ever touch another man. Ever. Don't ever put your hands on another man unless you like it that way, bitch. You want people to put your hands on you, then go ahead. Put your hands on me again. Let's see what happens.
Eso pasa por andar tocando a la gente, compa.
Yeah, put your hands on me again.
Este es América, compa. Aquí no
Fuck you.
toca
Tell the
gente.
truth, man. You have it. You have the video. You have the proof video that you came and tried to steal my camera. You tried to steal my camera. I got it on video. You have the video. You have the video. So I hope you're going to show that to the police. Because the guy was filming for you with your phone. I got it all on video. The guy was filming. You told the guy, hold this and record everything. He got everything recorded. And I'm going to let them know that. Nah,
Te dije los